And yeah, we have FIFA points and we are here with hello everyone, Eric. And we're opening a premium silver pack, so we end up on 700. Yep.
Oh no, sorry. Can I?
Yeah.
I'm really good at silver pack.
Come on, I want a silver inform. If I don't get a silver inform, I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Fail skip. Oh. Wait, give it.
What are you doing?
Keep the managers. They gave you more contracts. And the rest of that is rubbish.
My turn to open a pack. Okay, so the next one we're not going to skip, and then Eric's going to have the...
I was trying a fail skip. They always work. That's how Jake got Alexis.
And yeah, but we had a method then, and this one we're not going to method. Okay, for the very last pack, always,
I open it.
We walk out of the door like we usually do. Well, like I usually do. Get Tim Howard! Yes!
Why is that?
Yeah! Because Tim Howard's beef. And Malky Mackay.
Just keep the guy.
Juventus Stadium.
Just keep that thing, Jay McKerry, and discard everything else.
So Eric's turn to open the pack. Everybody, into the world.
I've got really good bronze pack luck, but
no one cares about bronze pack.
Wait. I'm gonna try the nose pack. I'm really good at it.
Oh, Rocky Road pack.
Yeah, we'll do that.
I'll do the Rocky Road pack.
Skip.
Oh, get out! Yes!
No. Oh, don't discard it. Wait, no, Jake, it's my time.
Get fucking Cahill. Get Cahill in my bloody team!
Should I put him at active squad?
No, just send him to club. And then discard the rest. Man, go to open the pack, man! Open the pack!
Cahill's decent.
Rocky Road pack, here we go.
Have some better with Cahill. But is there an informed Cahill?
No, there was a team of the season, Cahill.
Yeah, the team season to Herr Schneidlin. He was almost consistent. Okay. Wait. No, he's not transferred. Just discard it, seriously. Discard everything.
That guy had a moustache.
That is probably the worst pack we've ever actually had.
Open a gold. Just open a gold pack.
No, you don't.
Yeah, open a gold pack. I get most of my luck. No, please.
Okay.
Okay.
I skip it
if you want.
Okay. Actually, I'm not. Yes, I am. Fabianski's transferred.
I'm transferred, so
I
take him on the transfer list.
That's my sim.
Ooh, that's pretty decent. He might go for a bit more.
Should I do him for a K?
No, just don't sell him yet because he's transferred when we need like a...
Oh, when he...
And Thiago's pretty decent, 81 rated.
I'll send him to club.
Yeah, and send Thiago.
And that's all.
Yeah.
The rest of
it. If you would like to leave the room, Eric.
Alright.
Okay, we have to have the down pack. We have to. Okay. Okay. Deal.
Just discard all of it. Oh, sorry.
Why did you keep it? Because I can have Basong in defence with Basong. Oi. Let's open a World Cup pack.
Okay. No, don't waste 5k of coins.
Oh,
open the World Cup pack. I got rid of...
Wait, let me...
I got you Gomez. Thank you.
I'm a little wee-wee! You're going to have to reconnect my controller.
Right, guys.
Tastes like hot chocolate. Hello.
Doesn't this thing work or what? Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, would you like to say to my subscribers what should they subscribe to your channel?
Yeah, subscribe to Canary Boy for once.
What FIFA points?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I thought.
You close your eyes. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll close my eyes. You look at it. Oh, we got Welbeck! Yes, guys, we got Welbeck!
And we got Uche. Not bad. Oh, Modify.
Oh, free pack! Oh, free pack! I'm opening the free pack. Put Welbeck into my squad.
No. Put him on la.
Put Welbeck in my squad. Put Welbeck in my squad. Put Welbeck in my squad, yeah. In my squad. Put him in my squad, yeah. I'm so sexy. Give me my controller.
I'm just gonna put him in the squad.
No, just leave it. Leave
Your
it.
controller is so bad.
More sexy than yours. Just dying, guys.
If you discard his squad fitness up, they go for 2k.
I don't bloody care. They open packs because of my subscribers. This is my 6th. I'm really proud of it. The only good player out of the 6 pack openings I've had is Alexis. Okay. Eric's freaked out right now. Let's get. Oh my God! Yes! Come on!
Let's just see how much he's worth. Let's see how much he's worth.
Yes! Oh, it's transferred! It's transferred! Woo!
Oh, he transferred. Just store him in your club.
Open the pack! Free pack! Beast free pack!
No, Jay.
No, I'm doing it. It's my pack.
Oh my.
My cat. It's my pack.
You kept doing it on my pack. Did you place him on transfer list?
No.
Good. This is Scar. That's probably the worst pack.
Oh my God, guys, you've gone in form!
Right, let's go. Let's just search him up. Zenit.
No, I can't. What's his bloody name?
Just go on Zenit Gold Strikers. And Colombian.
Okay. I don't think he's Colombian.
Yeah, he was Colombian. I swear.
Oh, guys.
Russian League. I don't know what the Russian League's called. Yeah, Russian League.
That's what it's called.
Zenit. Colombian. See. That was mad, guys. Just got freaking in form.
Eric, right? Eric said he had the best pack luck.
Well, I did get 2 informed in 1 pack.
Well, I did just get an 80 rating.
What the hell, Jake? Why did you just...
No, because he's... I can't inform, mate. Right, wait, let's just see his name and then just search in his name.
Rondo. Oh, no, he's from Venezuela. Right, now search Venezuela. And he's got friggin' 82 frickin' pace! Oh, he's got 86 heading. He's quite a sexy card, actually. Don't put him in for draw. Oh, actually, the chemistry's still okay. Jake. Wait, Jake, just let me see.
Look at that! We got an info. Oh, what's happened to the camera? Guys, I'm really happy. Oh my God, that's the second. FIFA 14 has my pack luck on it. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do retro packs.
What are they?
They're where I go to FIFA 13, do a pack, FIFA 12, do a pack, FIFA 13, do a pack. Backwards. Go backwards.
Oh, there's info.
Oh, nah.
Wait.
35k.
Wait.
15K.
I don't. It just do a 15k first bid.
No, I'm not getting rid of him.
Why?
Because he's a bloody inform. And thanks guys for watching this pack opening with Eric Potter.
Yeah! Subscribe to Canary Boy. If you don't, I'll kill you.
Okay.